Hey everyone, it's you here from Umami.com. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a skillet roasted Brussels sprouts. It's easy enough for every day and also super gorgeous for the holiday season. Let's get started. First, you want to find the Brussels sprouts a little bit smaller, probably about 1 to 1.5 inch diameter, and just trim them and then slice them in half. You can also use the store-bought version. It's just much faster. Next up, we're gonna coat them with olive oil. And use your hands to gently toss them well. So make sure all the sprouts are coated in the extra virgin olive oil. Sprouts cut side down in a large skillet. You can also use stainless steel skillet. Just gonna drizzle the remaining olive oil on top of the sprouts. And just wiggle them a little bit so the oil seeps underneath. Now I'm going to cover the skillet and cook the sprouts over medium-high heat until they turn bright green and the bottom starts getting a little bit light brown color for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover and just keep cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes. But pay attention to the stovetop temperature. You want to make sure they won't get burnt. So just check them periodically. And when they turn deep, gorgeous golden brown, and once you insert a paring knife, there's little to no resistance. That means they are done. Look at how gorgeous they look. Now we're gonna drizzle with, this is lemon juice mixed with a little bit of salt and also pepper. And if you want, sprinkle with a little bit Paleo cashew-made Parmesan cheese right before serving. And sprinkle with a little bit more Paleo Parmesan cheese. This dish is so good for every day as well as holiday season. People, this is the way how you make a skillet roasted Brussels sprouts. Now it's time to eat. The sprouts are roasted to golden delicious and sprinkled with our Paleo Parmesan cheese. So good. I can't stop eating it. You know, they are so healthy and so good for you. So don't wait, absolutely go check out this recipe on my website at iHeartUmami.com. If you're watching this on Instagram, you can swipe up to get the recipe and watching it on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. I put a recipe link down below. Be sure to give it a thumbs up.